planning a move in or around Redding, California. If you're considering full-service movers, this video will give you 5 smart tips you haven't already heard. These will save you time, money, and a whole lot of stress. Full service means more than just loading and unloading. In Redding, top movers offer packing, unpacking, furniture assembly, debris removal, and even storage. Always ask for a breakdown of what's included. Not all movers know Redding's unique layout. Rural roads, wildfire zones, and steep driveways can complicate moves. Choose movers who've worked throughout Shasta County and beyond. Many Redding movers charge hourly, but for full-service moves, flat rates may offer better value, especially for larger homes or rural locations where delays are likely. Make sure your moving company is licensed with the California Public Utilities Commission and carries liability and cargo insurance. Without this, your belongings may not be protected. Do you have heavy or fragile items like pianos, hot tubs, or antiques? Not every full-service mover handles specialty items, and it may require custom equipment or extra staff. Redding is growing, and full-service movers can make your transition easy if you ask the right questions first. From pricing to experience, it's the details that make the difference. Found this helpful? Give us a like, hit subscribe, and drop your biggest moving concern in the comments. We've got more local tips coming your way.